How to book a ride using Grab app. Need to get somewhere fast? Here's how to book a ride with Grab, super easy and quick. Open the app and tap on the transport or car icon from the main screen. Then type your destination in the where to box. Your current location will be auto-filled as the pickup point. If it's wrong, just tap it and choose the correct spot. Now select the type of ride you want, GrabCar, Premium, or other options based on your needs. The price will show up before you confirm. Tap book and wait for a few seconds. You'll get matched with a driver and you can see their name, car model, and ETA instantly. If the map is not accurate, try toggling your location setting off and on again. Where's the first place you will go with your Grab ride? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.